Welcome to Naukri for You, an online study for you initiative. So guys, welcome back once again. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the job opportunity from Amazon. And this opportunity is for CXQO associate job profile. Okay, so let's start discussing about this job profile in detail. Before starting make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, so subscribe it and press the bell icon as well so that you will get all the notifications from our YouTube channel. So let's get back to our job opportunity. So ये Amazon की तरफ से है और ये जॉब प्रोफाइल जो है वो है CXQO एसोसिएट के लिए एंड इसका जो लोकेशन है वो यूपी में होने वाला है। और अगर मैं रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जॉब ड्यूटीज की बात करूँ तो वो इन्होंने अपनी जेडी में जो मेंशन किया है दैट इज perform data collection tasks related to an Amazon device, application or service, execute tasks assigned to you on a daily basis by adhering to standard operating procedures and predefined guidelines. So basically आपको daily basis पे जो भी task assign किया जाएगा you have to complete in the particular guidelines. Okay. Participate in process improvement to increase the quality, efficiency and accuracy of your team's processes. So basically the next one is partner with your team manager when your work is delayed or blocked due to technical issues. Report issues with tools and software to the development team with necessary and maintain strict confidentiality and follow all applicable Amazon policies for securing confidential information. Okay, so this is about the job and role and responsibility basically. And let me tell you about the basic qualification that is required for this job profile is bachelor degree. If you have any bachelor degree, if you are a bachelor degree holder, then you can apply for this job profile. And if you talk about the experience, so there is no criteria that you need 2 year or 3 year. If you are fresher, then you can apply then also. And if you have 1 year experience, 2 year experience, then also you can apply for this job profile. Okay. The next one is ability to work any shift including night, weekends and holidays. So basically आपको अगर कोई भी shift में allot हो रहा है, so you must be ready for that. Okay. Comfortable working in an ambiguous and fast-paced environment, must be able to work virtually in a work from home environment and high attention to detail. अगर मैं preferred location की बात करूँ इस job profile के लिए, so that is proven record of delivery of performance metrics in an operation environment and practical knowledge of data processing needs and trade-offs. So basically आपका data processing में practical knowledge होना चाहिए and working experience in virtual environment. So yeah guys, this is about this job profile. And how can you apply for this job profile? Just click on this apply now button and then you will come to this page. Just a second. Yeah, you will come to this page. And if you already have an account with Amazon Job, so that you can directly log in with your email ID and password. And if you don't have, just click on the here, create one, and you can create your account here with Amazon and then you can apply for this job profile. So yeah guys, this is all about today's video. I hope this will gonna very useful for you, and please share this video with your friends also. Till then, take care. Bye bye.